Okay, dear students, now we will discuss about the next key of shift key. In this topic, we will try to understand what is the use of shift key and why use the shift key. Basically, a keyboard consists of two shift key. One is left side of the alphabet's letter and other is right side of alphabet's letter. There are two keys, shift keys on keyboard. Understand? Remember that shift key is used in a combination with other keys. शिफ्ट कीज जो है वो एज ए जो हमारे पास नंबर कीज होती हैं, ठीक है, उसका कॉम्बिनेशन करने के लिए होती हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक सपोज नंबर कीज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so no 10 is replaced as 0, 1 to 9 and 0. This keys is called number keys, which is include different types of keys like delta, which is used in emails, percentage, and stars, brackets, hash, exclamatory, and different keys. So now we will see on a keyboard. Okay students, now you can see on a keyboard number keys. First is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. These keys are number keys, and this is a shift key which is included on the left side of the keyboard, and other is this key which is included in the right side of the alphabet's letters. And you can use these keys to combination of number keys. When we press shift and plus O, so it means that here when this press this shift key and then again 0 key, so it will write on a monitor this bracket sign, not a 0. And when we press single key, so just write a 0, not this combination keys. Okay students, ये कीज जो है ऊपर जो स्टार है एंड एंड्स वाला जो जिसको हम एज ए यूज़ करते हैं पावर्स, ठीक है, वो लिखा जाएगा, परसेंटेज लिखे, डॉलर साइन लिखा जाएगा, हैश साइन लिखा जाएगा, एंड हमारे पास जो ईमेल में यूज़ होता है, ठीक है, वो डेल्टा की लिखी जाएगी, ठीक है. सो when we press shift key, then these number keys, so you can write on a keyboard these keys which is included this delta, hash, dollar, percentage, and ये पावर्स के लिए यूज़ होती हैं, ठीक है, इन अ कंप्यूटर, and star and these brackets keys. Okay students, now we will understand with practically on a computer to use these keys. Okay students, now we use these keys with practically. When we press this key shift and then we press first key, so you can see on a monitor this is a exclamatory sign which is right on the keyboard, monitor. So when we again press this key shift and then we press second number, so you can see on a monitor which type of right on a monitor, delta sign, at sign, ठीक है. And when we press this shift and then plus key 3, so you can see on a monitor we write a hash sign, and next dollar sign, next percentage sign, and then and yani I tell you that this sign is used to as a power, and next and next star, next these brackets are used. Okay, you can use both these letters. Okay, so it is a used to combination different keys, number keys. Okay, so when we press when we just press these keys, number keys, we singly not a user shift key. So you can see on a board monitor, just write in a sign 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 10 means 0. Okay students, in a math basically there are 9 digits, not a 0. And when we apply 10, when we write 10, so these numbers are repeating number. 1 to 9 number 0, 1 to 9 numbers are non-repeating numbers. Okay students, I hope you will understand these keys. Okay students, now we write paragraph on a board. There are 2 shift keys on a keyboard 2 shift keys के ऊपर consist है. One is the left side of the keyboard and another is on the right side of the alphabet keys. Remember that, याद रहे कि shift key is used to use in a combination with other keys. जो हमारे पास शिफ्ट की है वो कॉम्बिनेशन की अदर कीज के साथ करने के लिए यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल when a shift key is used with the number keys, you will get the symbol written above numbers. This is the second number keys. When we plus shift plus second keys, you can see on a monitor screen delta add sign appear on the screen. I have already see on a monitor with practically. And when we press without use of shift key, when we press a number key, so you can see on a here monitor just 2. Okay students, now it is see here tool tips. If you press key, जब आप की प्रेस करते हैं, कोई बटन प्रेस करते हैं, when caps lock is on, जब आप शिफ्ट की प्रेस करते हैं तो कैप्स लॉक ऑन हो जाता है. then you will get small or a lower case letter. Okay students, I hope you will understand my lecture and you will doing with practically on yourself in your home. So you this work really do very easily. आप बहुत इसको easily कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. So if we want to write just one letter in a capital or a uppercase, so you can press shift key and then any keys which you write a letter on a monitor. So you can see on a monitor that the word written right on the screen. Okay students, stay home, safe life, all the best, take care, Allah Hafiz. See you to next lecture.